Did you know that the online job market is expected to grow by 25% in 2025? But here's the catch. Most people don't know which skills to focus on to cash in on this trend. What if I told you that by mastering just 3 skills, you could start earning $1,000 or more every month, even as a beginner? Stick around because today I'm breaking down the top 3 skills you need to make money online in 2025. Let's get started. The first skill you need to master in 2025 is AI-powered content creation. With artificial intelligence becoming more advanced, businesses are relying on AI tools to create blogs, social media posts, and even video scripts. But here's the thing, AI can't do it all on its own. Companies need skilled creators who can guide the process and refine the output. Here's how you can make money with AI content creation. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Content agencies. Join agencies that specialize in AI-driven content production. Sell AI templates. Create and sell pre-made templates for blogs, emails, or social media posts. The average AI content creator earns between $50 to $300 per project, depending on the complexity. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. To learn AI content creation, you don't need to spend a fortune. Here are some affordable and free resources. Free resources: explore YouTube channels like AI Content Academy or blogs like Copy.ai's Learning Hub. Paid courses: check out platforms like Coursera, AI for Content Creation, or Udemy, Mastering AI Tools for Writers. Practice tools: use free AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or WriteSonic to get hands-on experience. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find small projects. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick AI content creation gigs. ProBlogger job board, ideal for finding long-term clients. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is virtual reality VR design. In 2025, the metaverse is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a reality. Businesses are investing heavily in VR to create immersive experiences for their customers. From designing virtual stores to creating interactive training programs, VR designers are in high demand. Here's how you can make money with VR design. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like 99 Designs or Dribble. Metaverse projects. Work on virtual real estate or event spaces in the metaverse. Sell VR assets. Create and sell 3D models or VR templates on marketplaces like Unity Asset Store or Sketchfab. The average VR designer earns between $75 to $250 per hour, depending on their expertise. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn VR design. Free resources. YouTube channels like VR Design Academy or The Future offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Platforms like Coursera, VR Design Specialization, or LinkedIn Learning are great for structured learning. Practice tools. Use free tools like Blender or Unity to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. 99 Designs, perfect for competing in VR design contests. Behance, showcase your portfolio and attract clients. Fiverr, great for offering affordable VR design services. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is blockchain development. In 2025, blockchain technology is no longer limited to cryptocurrencies. It's being used in industries like healthcare, supply chain, and even voting systems. Companies are looking for developers who can create secure, decentralized applications. Here's how you can make money with blockchain development. Freelance platforms. Offer services like smart contract development or dApp creation on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. Startups. Join blockchain startups to gain experience. Consulting, help businesses integrate blockchain solutions into their operations. The average blockchain developer earns between $100 to $500 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn blockchain development. Free resources. Platforms like CryptoZombies or FreeCodeCamp offer beginner-friendly tutorials. Paid courses. Check out Coursera, Blockchain Specialization, or Udemy, Blockchain AZ. Practice. Start by building simple smart contracts or dApps on Ethereum or Solana. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance blockchain gigs. LinkedIn, perfect for connecting with businesses looking for blockchain experts. TopTal, ideal for experienced developers looking for high-paying clients. Now, Let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know the top 3 skills to make money online in 2025: AI content creation, VR design, and blockchain development. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Start by learning one skill, practicing consistently, and building your portfolio. Here are some general tips to succeed in freelancing. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Network, join online communities, and connect with like-minded people. Keep learning. The online world is always evolving, so stay updated with the latest trends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.